In this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to cancel your order on the Dominos app. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to open up your Dominos app, and now you should be taken to a page similar to this, as you can see. And now when you have actually placed an order on Dominos app and you regret it and you want to be able to cancel the order, well, it is actually possible, but you need to be very quick. You need to click where it says history right here, as you can see, and then you will need to log in into your account if you haven't done so already, and it has to be the specific account that you use to place the order basically. And then what you're going to do is to find the contact details of that specific store that you purchased from, and you're going to call them right away. So call them and then ask them to cancel your order, because as of right now that is the only way that you can actually do so. There will probably not be a cancel button for you, unfortunately. After you have placed an order, you have to call to the store and make sure that they actually cancel the order, and that's why you need to be fast. So if you're fast, then you're able to do so, but if it's been like a couple of minutes maybe, then unfortunately it's going to probably not work. So make sure that you're fast, and then hopefully you will be able to cancel your order.